back to another vlog, guys, and today we're going to be fitting the AUX BEAM LED light bar to the van and also two 6-mode pod lights on the bull bar. This has got to be the sexiest LED light bar I've ever seen. It's a 5D Pro series. I'll open it up and show you what it looks like because I've never seen a light bar like this. It looks like it's got like 5 projecting beams. I'll show you. Check that out. That is mega. But yeah, they're the beams that I was on about here. So I don't know whether they're like straight, like direct beams or what, but I can't wait to get it fitted and test it. The reason why I feel that this brand is much better than other brands for light bars and stuff is the connectors. Look at how thick they are. They're mega. And the wiring pack's really good as well because the relay already comes fitted. The fuse already comes fitted. It's just, everything's just super simple. And it even comes with a switch built onto it. Where's that? There it is. It's a little switch that you can put in your dash. Turn it on and off. That's where I'm going to be fitting this. What's good about this is you get 2 different ways of mounting it. So you can mount it from the sides, either side of the bracket, or you can flip it round and you've got these 2 little tracks, and they drop in, slide up, and it's just a case of getting these mounts and they fit over the top like this, and you can screw it straight into the van. So the way these brackets hold on is by a little grub screw like this. Screw it down, and once it shoots down you'll feel it tighten up. Now that bracket won't move. We haven't got any ladders, so I'm having to use a cracked bin. So if I go through it, then that's probably my fault, isn't it? Tighten it from the other side. Right. We've got the cable through the roof to here, and it's just a case of crimping these on now. Crimp the connections onto there, hook it up to the battery and test it.
That is the face of a very happy boy.
Let's get fitting them. Put one bracket in just to test it out and just see what it looks like. Yeah. Let's get this next bracket on. Yeah, happy with that. How good do they look, guys? Switches on here. Where do you see it in the daylight? I'll have to show you this now. Whoa, mate. That is mega bright. And that's just in the daylight as well. Wonder what that's going to be like at night.
I can't wait.
That's amazing. Put the flashy mode ones on. Flash them through the modes. Woo! Oh mate, that's mega. So as you all know, guys, we're in sunny Spain and these lights are holding up insane. We fitted them 12 months ago and we're going to give you an in-depth review. So these are the puck lights that we've got on the van. They're quite cool. They've got a couple of different modes which I'm going to show you now. But look at the quality of them. They've been on 12 months and there's literally not a single mark on them. They are perfect. So these light bars are seriously cool. When the fog hits and you turn that on, you cannot see whatsoever. So having these amber lights cuts through the fog so well. So having them combined with the LED light bar does not make a difference. Normally with like LED light bars and like cheap lights, the glass will always fade after 3 months, and then you start getting where the LEDs are, some of them will go out. On these, not a single LED has gone out, so I can say that they're bang on. If you're wanting a full teardown review, head over to Alex Frood, Mispronounced Adventures, or Ash Pollard, which is Lost in Europe on YouTube. They have done like serious reviews on these lights. Now, Ash Pollard is one person that would not tell you they're any good if they're crap, basically. So don't just take my word for it. Have a look. Everybody else is doing videos on them because they're so good. Enough of me blabbing on. Let's put them to the test. Right, let's switch to a night test. That is literally night and day difference. And then obviously we've got these other lights as well, so that they flash, or we can change them so they're on as well. Look at that. That is just night and day difference. Absolutely amazing. Can't even look at them. So these are the normal lights, like just the normal fan lights, and then that's AUX BEAM. That's just nuts, isn't it? So we do have a 15% discount code for these guys, so just have a look in the description below if you are wanting yourself some AUX BEAM lights.